I was thinking about walking. It's like, well, maybe we're gonna walk somewhere. Come here, Blue.
Maybe if I stick him out by himself and he'll walk to the rest of them.
Maybe.
This one?
Yep. That's the one.
Alright, here we go.
It's like, what are you doing to me?
They're so cute when they walk.
I know,
when they
they're
first
all
start
wobbly.
walking. A dog
Oh,
pile.
big yawns. Hi, Grace. Oh yeah, don't get your slapper on my
That
phone.
one's the explorer. He's out there by himself.
Well, Phantom was laying over there by herself, and she looked like she was a little cold, so I put her over here with everybody else. It's so funny. I don't know what he's doing.
Looks like he's trying to eat something.
I know. That's what I was thinking. There must be something on there. He's trying to find something. See if I can zoom in on him a little bit. He's gonna shove his way through. Oh, nice, don't play with his brother or sister. I don't know which one that one is. That's so funny. He's really trying to play. So cute. Zoom back out a little bit.
He really likes
my
that one.
goodness.
He's growling. The other one's getting him. Like, get your foot. Yummy foot.
Oh, now he or she has two of them trying to get him. Yeah, it is a boy. He's got two of them trying to play with them. Here, will you pick him up so we can see his little face in the video? They're getting so big.
Hi.
Hi.
Look at his nails.
I know, I just clipped him too.
Did you?
Yep. There he is. I love his little markings.
Yep. This pickledy dog.
Somebody's whining.
Belly's all wet.
All these cute puppies. And that one's playing with Zoe. Oh. Look, he's way over at the other end of the box now. Getting better and better with walking, not quite as wobbly. It's going all over the place. She's just standing there. They're so cute. Love little puppies.